Prepare for maximum impact. See mega chainsaws, beastly chippers, and industrial harvesters dominate. Witness unbelievable jaw-dropping machine force exclusively on Techbeast TV. Strap in for a high-octane spectacle, your ultimate adventure with giant machines. Hold on to your hats, folks, because kicking off our show, we have the undisputed heavyweight champion of earth moving, the mighty Caterpillar D10T bulldozer. This isn't just a machine, it's a force of nature, a true titan reshaping landscapes one push at a time. Watch as this colossal yellow beast, armed with its formidable 10-foot wide blade and a multi-shank ripper, goes head-to-head with a stubborn pine tree. You can almost feel the ground tremble as it shoves, inch by agonizing inch, against those deeply rooted timbers. The tension is thicker than a Texas BBQ brisket. Will it yield? Oh, it absolutely will. With a final decisive push, that tree crashes down like a bowling pin. But a D10T doesn't quit early. Its work's not over. It now pivots, using its immense 596 horsepower engine and incredible hydraulic force to tear through the stubborn stump and root system. This is raw, unadulterated power on display, making quick work of even the toughest obstacles. With an operating weight often exceeding 140,000 pounds, this machine makes land clearing look as easy as pie, preparing the ground for future operations with unmatched efficiency. What a start to our showcase. From the untamed wilderness, we transition seamlessly into the bustling heart of the sawmill. Prepare to be mesmerized by the colossal circular saw, a true steel titan ready to transform massive logs into usable lumber. Imagine trying to slice a hot dog with a butter knife. Now imagine doing it with a blade that could give a monster truck a run for its money. Logs are fed onto a heavy-duty conveyor, inching closer to the screaming, high-speed blade, often spinning at over 1,000 revolutions per minute. With incredible precision, this industrial marvel slices through timber as if it were warm butter, sending showers of sawdust flying like confetti at a championship game. The sheer power is captivating as it makes pass after pass, each cut revealing the clean, pale wood within. This is where raw material meets brute force engineering, a critical, high-volume step in the journey from forest to finished product. Capable of processing thousands of board feet per hour, the efficiency of these saws is simply astounding, turning entire truckloads of logs into valuable lumber in a relentless display of mechanical might. As the sawmill refines back in the forest, modern marvels are busy streamlining the initial harvesting. These incredible machines are true game changers. All right, after that whirlwind of sawdust, let's head back to the deep, sun-dappled forest, where a different kind of beast is hard at work, the feller buncher. This specialized logging machine, likely a Tigercat 875 or similar agile model, moves with surprising grace on its rugged tracks. Its powerful boom extends, often reaching over 30 feet, armed with a high-speed cutting head that can feature a large, disc-style saw or robust shears. Watch as it approaches a tree, the cutting disc whirring to life, ready to tackle trunks up to 2 feet in diameter. In mere seconds, it severs the trunk with a clean cut, then deftly grabs and maneuvers the felled tree, stacking it precisely with others, creating neat bunches for easier extraction. This marvel of engineering combines felling and bunching, into one swift, continuous operation, clearing swathes of timber with incredible efficiency and minimal ground disturbance. It's a synchronized dance of power and precision, a mechanical harvester reshaping the forest landscape before our very eyes, processing hundreds of trees per hour and preparing them for their next stage of their journey. Absolutely captivating. From the high-speed efficiency of the feller buncher, we now shift gears. Let's slow down and appreciate the meticulous finesse of traditional craftsmanship. Now let's take a step back from the massive industrial operations and witness a more intimate, yet equally impressive display of woodworking artistry. We're back in a rustic setting, observing the precision of the bandsaw. Here, two skilled individuals work in perfect tandem, carefully guiding a substantial log through the thin, rapidly moving blade. Unlike the brute force of the circular saw, this is all about meticulous control and exact cuts, often utilized for custom milling, producing specialty lumber, or in smaller, artisanal operations. The log is fed slowly and deliberately, the blade singing its high-pitched song as it slices cleanly, revealing the intricate grain and unique character of the wood. It's a slower, more methodical process, but no less impressive, demanding exceptional skill from the operators as they manage the heavy timber. Bandsaws are renowned for producing less sawdust and higher yields, making them a more sustainable choice for certain applications. This is woodworking at its foundational level, where the individual essence of each log is carefully considered and brought beautifully to life. A truly hands-on approach that connects us to the craft. From precision cuts, we swing back to raw, thrilling power. Prepare for a display of pure, unadulterated skill and guts as a logger confronts a massive spruce with nothing but his trusty chainsaw. With the forest floor as his office, he approaches the towering timber. The chainsaw roars to life, its engine humming with several horsepower, its chain biting deep into the bark. He expertly carves a precise directional notch, calculating the fall with decades of experience, then moves to the critical back cut. The tension builds like a grand finale fireworks show as the tree begins to creak and groan, swaying ominously. Once felled, these massive logs must be moved, often from the most challenging terrain imaginable. That's where our next mighty machine comes in. Well, if that wasn't thrilling enough, try navigating this. The terrain before us is an absolute quagmire, a soupy, muddy mess that would make a regular truck throw in the towel. But for the mighty forwarder, it's just another day at the office. This articulated, multi-wheeled behemoth, likely a Ponzi Elephant King or a similar robust model, is engineered for exactly these nightmarish conditions. Equipped with a powerful hydraulic crane, often with a reach of over 30 feet, and a massive log bunk, it's designed to haul heavy loads out of the most challenging conditions. Watch as it churns through the deep ruts, its enormous, low-pressure tires providing incredible flotation and traction, seemingly unstoppable. The crane, with its precise grappling attachment, deftly plucks logs from the boggy ground and stacks them onto the trailer, which can carry over 20 tons of timber. Its ability to conquer this unforgiving landscape is a testament to its rugged design and powerful engine, often exceeding 250 horsepower, and, of course, the extraordinary skill of its operator. An incredible feat of engineering and determination, showing that some machines truly defy the odds. From the mucky forest, we head to a true marvel of modern efficiency, the Pezzolato firewood processor. If you've ever split firewood by hand, you know it's a workout. This machine makes it look like child's play. Logs are fed onto an automated deck, moving steadily towards the cutting station. With hydraulic precision, a powerful chainsaw descends, slicing the logs into uniform lengths, typically ranging from 12 to 24 inches. But wait, there's more. These rounds are then dropped into a splitting chamber where a formidable hydraulic ram, generating over 30 tons of splitting force, forces them through a multi-way splitting wedge, instantly creating perfectly sized firewood. The split wood tumbles onto a conveyor belt, ready for stacking or transport. This machine is a symphony of automation, transforming whole logs into ready-to-burn firewood with relentless speed and minimal human intervention, often producing several cords of wood per hour. It's a true powerhouse of productivity, working tirelessly to meet the demand for fuel with a mechanical ballet that's simply mesmerizing. The land clearing extravaganza continues, and this time we're focusing on another formidable tracked mulcher, a powerful Tiger Cat 822 model. This yellow titan, built for the toughest forestry applications, navigates the debris-strewn terrain with the grace of a pro wrestler on a trampoline. Its robust mulching head, driven by a high-horsepower engine, engages the dense undergrowth and leftover slash with an insatiable appetite. With a deafening roar that could wake the neighbors in a 5-mile radius, it grinds and shreds the material, reducing it to a fine, soil-enriching mulch. This machine is a testament to heavy-duty engineering, designed for relentless productivity in challenging environments. With an operating weight over 50,000 pounds and a powerful engine delivering over 300 horsepower, it's a display of sheer power and efficiency, making quick work of even the most stubborn vegetation, preparing the land for its next chapter. Impressive doesn't even begin to cover it. We're now dockside witnessing a logistical ballet of colossal proportions as the Lauritsen and later the Eva Bulker log ships are loaded. This isn't your average game of Tetris. This is high-stakes timber Tetris. Workers on floating log booms skillfully guide massive bundles of timber, often weighing over 50 tons, as they are hoisted by the ship's own powerful cranes. These cranes, capable of lifting enormous weights, swing the bundles high into the air, over the deck, and carefully lower them into the vast cargo hold. This is a symphony of heavy machinery and skilled labor, a critical link in the global timber supply chain. The scale is immense, with thousands of logs being methodically stowed away, each vessel capable of carrying tens of thousands of cubic meters of wood. From the high seas, we swing back to solid, or rather, gloriously muddy ground. Behold the undisputed king of the log yard, the Caterpillar 966G wheel loader. This articulated giant, equipped with massive log grapples that can clamp down on several tons of timber at once, is a true master of its domain. With an operating weight often exceeding 40,000 pounds and an engine delivering over 200 horsepower, it boasts incredible power and surprising agility for its size. Watch as it scoops up huge timber with its powerful jaws and expertly maneuvers it onto the waiting logging truck, its enormous tires churning the earth beneath. This machine is all about brute strength and efficient material handling, a vital component in the logging chain, ensuring that timber is moved quickly and safely from the forest to the transport vehicles. The sheer size of the logs it handles, often exceeding 20 feet in length, is a testament to its robust design and the engineering prowess that makes these yellow giants so indispensable. It's like watching a graceful grizzly bear move logs with the finesse of a ballerina. Get ready for another round of high-speed firewood production, because if you thought the last one was impressive, wait till you see this. We're now showcasing the impressive Cord King firewood processor, a green and yellow beast that's a true marvel of efficiency. Logs are fed into the machine, often through a hydraulic infeed system, where a large circular saw, sometimes up to 44 inches in diameter, quickly bucks them into consistent lengths. These rounds then drop into the splitting chamber, where a powerful, multi-way splitting wedge, capable of splitting timber up to 30 inches in diameter, makes short work of even the toughest hardwood. The split firewood is then carried away by an integrated conveyor belt, ready for stacking or bagging. This machine is a testament to automated power, capable of processing vast quantities of wood with remarkable speed, often churning out up to 5 cords of firewood per hour. It turns raw logs into perfectly sized firewood in a continuous, mesmerizing flow, proving that, when it comes to fuel, the Cord King is simply relentless. From the heavy haulers, let's pivot to something more precise and agile. Witness the incredible versatility of the John Deere 330G skid steer, equipped with a formidable tree shear attachment. This compact powerhouse is ideal for selective clearing, thinning operations, and managing smaller timber, offering pinpoint accuracy. The operator skillfully maneuvers the machine through the undergrowth, its four-wheel drive and compact size allowing access to tight spots. Positioning the powerful hydraulic shear at the base of a tree, often capable of cutting through trunks up to 12 inches in diameter, the sharpened blades slice cleanly through the trunk with a swift, decisive clench, felling the tree in an instant. This attachment transforms the already versatile skid steer into a specialized felling machine, perfect for clearing land with incredible speed and control, often working twice as fast as manual felling. It's a testament to how adaptable these machines can be, tackling tough jobs with surprising efficiency, making quick work of vegetation management. What a versatile piece of equipment, a true Swiss Army knife of the forest. With impressive lifting capacity for its size, Often able to lift over 3,000 pounds, the skid steer effortlessly picks up the logs and transports them, clearing the area with speed and precision. This seamless transition from felling to hauling highlights the true multifunctional nature of these compact machines. They can switch from one challenging task to another with a simple change of attachment, making them indispensable for efficient and adaptable land management and forestry operations. It's all about getting the job done smart, not just hard, making it an essential tool for any clearing operation. All right, buckle up, because if you thought you'd seen power, get ready for a spectacle of sheer destructive force. Hold on tight as we witness the raw, untamed might of a tracked mulcher. This orange beast, likely a Primetech Pete 400 or a similar high-powered machine, is designed for one thing and one thing only: land clearing on an absolutely massive scale. Its heavy-duty rotary mulching head, armed with hundreds of hardened carbide teeth, grinds through brush, small trees, and leftover logging debris with terrifying efficiency. Watch as it pulverizes everything in its path, turning dense vegetation into a fine layer of mulch, preparing the ground for reforestation or other uses. The machine moves relentlessly across the cleared area, its powerful engine, often exceeding 400 horsepower, roaring like a hungry dinosaur, leaving a trail of processed material in its wake. This is raw power transforming the landscape, a crucial tool in forestry and land management operations, capable of clearing acres in a single day. It's a true land clearing superhero. The land clearing extravaganza continues, showcasing another titan of transformation. This formidable machine demonstrates its power on the toughest terrain. After all that mechanical marvel, let's take a moment for a truly timeless scene. A beautiful nod to the rich history and enduring spirit of logging: horsepower. Here, a skilled teamster works in perfect harmony with a powerful pair of majestic draft horses. This isn't about roaring engines. It's about rhythmic creaks and gentle commands. The log, expertly notched and wedged by a chainsaw, begins its slow, majestic fall with careful precision. Once down, the logger swiftly delimbs it. The horses, often breeds like Clydesdales or Percherons, harnessed to a sturdy skidding arch, are then brought in. With gentle commands and an unspoken understanding, they lean into their harnesses, their immense strength, each horse capable of pulling well over 2,000 pounds, and steady gait pulling the heavy timber across the forest floor. This is sustainable logging at its finest, a low-impact method that respects the forest ecosystem while still getting the job done. Thank you so much for joining us on Techbeast TV. If you were as captivated as we were by these incredible machines and the skilled people who operate them, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We're always bringing you more awesome content, so ring that notification bell and join the Techbeast family. See you next time.